Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to relist an item on eBay. If you're selling on eBay and your item didn't sell the first time, that's not the end, it's actually a normal part of the process. Many successful sellers relist items multiple times before they sell, sometimes adjusting the price, title, or description along the way. Relisting gives your item a fresh chance to appear in search results and reach new buyers who may have missed it before. But here's where people get stuck. They're not sure where to find ended listings or how to properly relist them without starting from scratch. To begin, open your browser and go to eBay and log into your account. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner and click on My eBay. This will open your account dashboard. Inside My eBay, find the drop-down menu and click on Selling. This takes you to your seller dashboard where you can manage all your listings. Under the Selling section, click on Active. Here, you'll see all the items that are currently live on your account. If your item is still active and you want to relist it, you'll first need to end it. Find the listing you want to relist. Click on it. Then select End Listing. Clarification: you can only relist an item after it has ended. Ending a listing removes it from active status and moves it to inactive. Confirm the action when prompted. Now, go back to the Selling dashboard. Click on Inactive. This section contains ended listings and experience, unsold items. Inside the inactive section, find the listing you just ended. Click on it. You'll see an option that says Relist. Click on Relist. Before confirming, take a moment to review your listing. You can adjust the price, improve the title with better keywords, update the description, and change images if needed. Clarification: relisting is your chance to improve the listing, not just repost it. Once you're satisfied, confirm the relist. Your item will now go live again. Why relisting matters. Relisting helps refresh your item in search results, reach new buyers, improve chances of selling. Many items don't sell the first time, so don't hesitate to relist. Using eBay effectively means understanding how to manage and relist your inventory strategically. To summarize, relisting an item on eBay involves going to My eBay, navigating to Selling, ending the active listing if necessary, going to the inactive section, and clicking Relist on your item. This allows you to repost your item without creating a new listing from scratch. And that's how to relist an item on eBay. This is one of those simple actions that can have a big impact on your sales if you use it correctly. Don't think of relisting as repeating the same thing. Think of it as optimizing your listing each time. Small improvements like better titles, clearer photos, or a more competitive price can make a huge difference. Over time, this process turns you from someone just posting items into someone who actually understands how to sell effectively on eBay. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.